Hello, 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 hello. The question of the day, can you chemical metal a broken wheel? If any of you remember one of my last videos, my lovely Lexus got hit and crashed into. I tried to straighten the wheel and it split. These look like split rims, but they're not. But no, so it's a pretty nasty big crack and gash. So the Lexus is going off the road, probably completely condemned, going to the yard, might never come back out again, and I could do with the wheels that are on it, on the rear. So I'm just going to chemical metal that, stick the full set on it, and see if it holds air. I'm optimistic. Also got the grinder and the blowtorch here to try and straighten it a wee bit more, but we'll see what happens. Hammer time.
Stop. Hammer time. Go.
Okay, I've tried to knock it to shape, but it's not going to move. So I guess I'll just pack this with chemical metal and see if it'll seal the nasty big crack. Got my gloves on. I think it's like a golf ball to a pea, I think. Probably not, I should maybe read the instructions. I currently have metal, whatever it is, liquid metal in both hands, so I can't video it. So yeah, bear with me guys. Just lathering it on at the moment. I've got free hands now. Yeah, I mean it's almost a colour match too. I mean, you can't see the crack. I'm not convinced as soon as I run the tyre machine and pop a tyre in there whether it'll crack again or whether it'll hold the pressure. I mean, it doesn't tell you very much apart from don't eat it, don't put it in your eyes, don't sniff it, it's flammable. Doesn't say much else than that. I mean, I've heard of people using JB Weld to weld diffs and thing. I've never actually watched the video to see whether it works, but I've heard of it. I mean, that's it, went hard already. It's only been maybe 10 minutes or so. I'm just going to try and sand down the inside a wee bit so that the wheel will actually seal, the tyre will seal against it. I mean, I'm not even going to lie, but that doesn't look bad at all. Like, you can obviously see the dent where the damage is, but I don't know. I just need to see whether putting a tyre on is going to be enough to crack it, but I mean, it feels solid. It's actually really hard to tell what bit it is. I mean, lining this bit up is not going to be easy, because obviously the wheels buckle. I'll do it on the dodgy bit, see what happens. Need two hands. Touches there. Just, that's not too bad. I mean, the actual tyre itself, this is one that was on it when it got caught. But it literally, it's got a tiny bit of stretch that it literally caught the lip and folded the lip rim but didn't pop the tyre. Hopefully. Certainly didn't look damaged, but whether it actually is. Oh, she's tight. Oh, it's fake split rims. It still needs to go on backwards. Silly me. Whenever you're doing tyres that are either real split rims or have a bit of dish on them, normally they're the wrong way around. Like your standard wheel, this will be on the outside, so you need to put them on backwards. And if you get halfway through putting them on and realise that, sometimes they're stuck and you can't get them back off. But luckily, I hadn't been at it too long. That's a tyre on, let's see if it'll hold air. Few months later. So we've jumped to the future. This is like 6 or 7 months later. The Lexus has been in the yard of doom for quite a while, so ignore the state of it. But I thought, let's finish this video. So this is the rim that I blew up and JB welded, which obviously it's a different colour, but I mean, it's holding air. It's holding 40 psi. So I'm going to chuck it on the back of this and see if that works. Come on gimbal, I'm trying to make a YouTube video. There we go. So I'm going to chuck that on the back of here and basically road test it. I'm a brave man. that wheel can go in the bin. I mean, the car looks 100 times better already. Doesn't seem to be leaking, but probably just have to drive it and then double check it and make sure it's not lost any pressure. Do a few burnouts, I think. Well, does Liquid Metal or JB Weld fix a wheel? Well, I mean it has. It's holding pressure. Whether it'll hold pressure for a while or it's going to go down when I'm driving it, you just need to stay tuned for that. But the trusty old Lexus is now back on the road. Does need some stuff to fix it, but new daily. I'm moaning about the fuel prices in the Soarer, so I've got a more expensive one to run about in. But no, it's been a short video, guys, but if you like this one, please give it a like and a comment below, and stay tuned for more daft content. Bye!